Hi, I'm Livio, Robotics Engineer at Voliro. And this sound, that's new. That's the first thing you will hear in the new release. And make sure to stay till the end, because there's something hidden in this sound that will make you a true Voliro insider. The biggest feature in 2603 is AIM, which stands for Autonomous Interaction Mode. It is compatible with all hardware version 6 drones, which have the new machine learning camera. The idea is simple. You fly with the Voliro T to your target, you align, you activate AIM, and you autonomously approach and interact with the target. This is super nice because previously pilots had to manually try to hit the target, which could have been very time-consuming. Let me show you how it works. In the pilot view on the bottom, you have the AIM button. If you press it, you activate the AIM pipeline. It's this button with this nice purple color. To finally approach the target, you can press the interaction switch, as usual, and the whole pipeline starts. Whenever you release the interaction switch again, the pilot is again in full control. This enables the pilot to do multiple receptors in a very short time, so that you can inspect more within a fewer time. From here on, everything I'm going to show you is available on hardware version 5 and 6. Let's start with grid. With grid missions, we have two potential use cases. Let me show you the first one. If you create a new mission, and as an asset name, let's put in silo, and as a mission name, let's put in grid. Then in the second page, where you can choose the template, there is now a grid template. There, you can choose the number of columns and rows. So let's say we want to have 5 rows and 3 columns. And then you can also define the spacing between these columns and rows. The new multi-inspection point visualization feature that can be activated by pressing that button here allows you to project all your measured inspection points onto the 3D asset in real time. It's not just for grids, it works for all missions with inspection points that contain GPS coordinates. Besides AIM and grid being the highlights of this software release, there are more features that improve the reliability and safety of the Voliro T. The first one is the live video stream, which now automatically adapts to deliver the best possible image quality in the most complex environments. We have also improved the surface estimator, which gives you the distance to the target and the alignment to the surface during approach. Switching between position and altitude mode is now even simpler. Up for altitude, down for position. It's fast and intuitive, right when you need it. All right, you're still here, so that means you're really curious about the bonus. And this sound. The fun fact about these notes and what I really love about it is that the melody traces the shape of the Voliro logo. Make sure to read the release notes, and we see us in the next release video.